In the Horsley area, many homeowners face a common challenge with their garage doors: broken springs. These springs, vital for easy lifting and lowering, can wear out and snap due to frequent use, leaving your garage door stuck and you struggling. Don't let a broken spring disrupt your day. Call our team of qualified professionals at 0409-774-111. We specialize in quick, efficient repairs to get your garage door back in top shape with minimal hassle. Remember, for reliable garage door repairs in the Horsley area, we're just a phone call away. Call now and secure your appointment.